Everyone, I know this is a really good topic that many people always ask about, and it's how to find good stocks or things to trade. Personally, I'm going to show you guys how I do it. It's pretty simple. I find my stocks or things to trade simple. I'm a bull, so I like to go up, but I also play bearish as well, depending. But here's how I find some good stocks just to trade. First, I got my trading view. And there's another way if you don't really like charts or anything, you can do the other method that I use. But the first thing I actually do is I use a lot of RSI and Bollinger Bands. So, for example, let's say I have my Stoch RSI. If you know what Stoch is, RSI, you know that it's overbought or oversold. And this is usually overbought and this is oversold. So usually I sell around here, but I buy when it's oversold down here. For example, you can see that it was oversold down here. And you can see that if you would have bought down here, it shot back up. So I usually use this as a buying trigger to know when to buy something. I don't usually buy when it's up, but I like to buy when it's oversold, which is one way for me to find a good stock. Now, if I go really far out, 1 hour, I would really be able to, hold on, let me look at one more. I would really, if I go out like an hour or two, I can see if a stock is oversold or overbought. And you can also just tell by the dips as well. Let me go out an hour. So right now, Snap, I would be looking at this. Though there, I do have to look at my patterns because this looks like a double top almost. Not fully, but I also keep in mind, but I use my RSI a lot. I also use MACD. If I see it's under and I see a shift in change, I might be interested into buying. So I use my MACD to find stocks, but I really go out to see like how well the stock is doing. And I use my Bollingers because every time a stock comes down on the Bollinger Band, it usually shoots up to the middle. Once it passes through the middle, it goes to the top. So for example, I actually had a play here, 52. And I saw that it was below and out of its Bollingers, so I bought for a swing, and I sold it 62, where that VWAP is. I bought it at like 100 and sold it for about 500. So this is how you can find good stocks to buy, by using RSI, Bollinger Bands, and MACD. Then another thing you can use is actually Earning Whispers. And this is where you can actually find out the top earnings. I'm actually going to do a video on how you can actually, use it in detail, but you can also find companies that have earning reports, and you can find how well they are projected to do, and you can anticipate the ride up months out, weeks out, and this is how you can find good stocks as well. You can also use Yahoo Finance, or you can just research. Look up stocks that are projected to do well. Do research on what you think will do well in the future and what can benefit us in the future. And those are also good stocks to look at and buy. So it also requires research to see where the company is headed, what they're trying to do. And these are a few good ways that you guys can find stocks to buy into. Research, technical analysis, Earning Whispers, Earning Reports, or Yahoo Finance. I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope this helps out. Peace.